Tired of payroll headaches? Let's transform that frustration into a smooth process in under 90 seconds using Gusto. First, log into your Gusto account and head over to the People tab. This is where all your employee information lives and where you'll verify everyone's hours and pay rates before running payroll. Click on the People tab. Next, review any time off requests or PTO that needs to be accounted for. Make sure all time off has been properly approved and logged within Gusto. This ensures accurate paychecks. Ready to run payroll? Click the big, inviting Run Payroll button on your dashboard. Gusto will guide you through each step. Now, it's time to review and enter employee hours. Verify the regular hours, overtime, and any other applicable earnings for each employee. Gusto will automatically calculate the gross pay. Carefully review all earnings and deductions. This includes bonuses, commissions, reimbursements, and any pre-tax or post-tax deductions like health insurance or 401k contributions. Accuracy is key here. Gusto automatically calculates payroll taxes. Double-check the total payroll amount, including all taxes and net pay for each employee. Make sure everything aligns with your expectations. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Submit Payroll. But wait, Gusto will give you one last chance to review. This is your final opportunity to catch any errors before processing. Congratulations! You've successfully run payroll with Gusto. Gusto will handle the rest, from direct deposits to tax filings. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy a stress-free payday.